Hello guys, welcome to another episode. 2009 Kia Sportage. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Glove box compartment, open it. On your right hand side we have this little clip on that side, so lift the glove box a little bit and pull it with it. So this is the only thing that is holding it. It's like this. You just have to pull it out in order for your glove box to drop. Then have the filter right there. Once you press the clips, you can see right there the type of clip. You just have to press like this in order for the little cover to come out. And this is the filter. This is the old one. You have the filter on. Make sure that you put it in the right direction. It has the flow arrows, has to show up. You have this little part of the filter has to go inside this little notch all the way across, and it's only one way, so you're gonna notice. But make sure that the arrows are facing up. Put it on. Make sure that this end of the filter goes inside those little cuts. So your filter should look like this. Once it's installed on the little tray, just put it on. Okay, now the filter is in place. Closing the glove box, you just have to make sure that this little plastic holder goes inside. If you can see, glove box is in place, and that's how you replace the filter in your Kia Sportage. This is a 2009. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And like always, this video is not a sponsor. The owner paid for his filter with his own money. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.